This one a big, sir?
No.
What you call this?
Irish potato, big yum.
Going to the farm this morning. I lie. To check weights, guys. I'm gonna check weights. You see, beautiful. Let me give you a steady. That's where I'm coming from, way up there where that house is. Hope this video is stabilized. Well, that phone I say it's stabilized, video say it better. Alright, I'm gonna go wait in this. Everybody is leaving me, so let's go. It's the view for me. It's the view for me. Singing horribly. Don't mind the heavy breathing, guys. Oh shit.
Bank account can't empty. Broke. Acres over markets.
These are the ones that they don't need to sell. Yeah. So they're not necessarily weigh those. Oh, I'm actually here for the weighing process too, guys. Me and my auntie. These are for sale. That's for sale. That's for sale. That's for sale. That's for sale. Sale. Not for sale. Sale, sale. Babette! Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Why Uncle Fisher? Well, catch it on the vlog. I'm vlogging. This one a big, sir?
No.
What you call this?
Irish potato, big yum.
Wow. Compared to everything else, that big man. I also want a long one they like. Not a long one.
Everybody know like you know.
Endless views, guys.
Just some.
Endless views. I live up there, close to that pole, guys. So I'm coming from there, so all the way down here. Yes, sir. I need that hat, guys, but I'm wearing rollers, so I can't have a hat on. It already big, plus the rollers extra big.
Big on them, all of our morning, worse.
Let me come catch it, Buggy.
Worse for morning.
It's a big, could I compare it to Bungy head quite long?
A long like bungy. Manners. Respect. To move today.
Yeah.
Good.
Compared to the others, it's long. This is callaloo, guys. So there's callaloo amidst the potato. Callaloo. She's picking callaloos. Anisha, what are you picking? Callaloo. See?
One dumpling, white flour, nice.
Yeah. You see how a farm is diverse? You can have two something in a one. Two something in a one.
Farming over blossom.
I don't know. What, Auntie Kishan? What is?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato, guys. Potato.
But it has slip. I hit it up there and you get potato to eat.
And them yam stick. Yam stick, those yam stick. Yeah. So guys, this is what they have for lunch. bread and sardine and pepper. Yeah. If you've ever had bread, sardine and pepper, it tastes good. Yeah. Them call it chocolate. I don't know why them call it that, but this is the chocolate of the day. Look at this one, guys. It's like a cartoon character. Look at that. Getting my hands dirty, but look at this. Panties and move here.
Victoria's Secret.
Yeah.
Tommy Figure.
Blush.
Buster Man play. One Lego. One sitting like a side. Slide and barrel.
Lace. Oh, Lord.
Tongue.
Tongue, yeah. Bustamanti. Bustamanti a hero. Fancy.
What big no what I want the big years from them. The 5 years around the road. Yeah.
That most sweet.
Inheritance for me Caesar. Me alright being mean. Yo.
Where? How are them today? Again.
Man, the Renzo, they don't just get sitting there, don't matter. That's why you know, man. Someone can't drink when they're working out.
Take with come, Kaji. Now go later with the first one with this.
I'll get one.
Oh, yeah,
Don't take up them the react.
Yeah, man, why we go to the You know it.
Somebody help out here.
Too big one. They not pick the one yet.
No.
Yeah, can miss a big one.
You have to work. You pay your bills. Can't depend on man alone. Good girl have to work. Yeah. Now people that come bend them back in a sun. Ambitious sweet. Ambition. Without ambition, you're nothing.
I know that's right.
So I'm not necessarily working, but I'm on my second bottle of water, guys. This is water. Yeah. We are almost through. Earlier we had 15. No, 11 crates. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are crates that have been refilled, emptied and refilled. So we are going well. Well, them are going well because you there. All right. 21 crates, y'all. 21 crates. Okay, guys, so it's all done being reaped. The ones that you can see are, them call them, I think you heard planting seed or whatever, but they're going to be replanting these so as to get more Irish potatoes. That heap over there is a good heap, so somebody will be coming to get that into that bag. But yeah, it was a good day at the farm. Now I'm going to be taking my journey back up that path all the way to where those people are. Yeah, to go home. All right, see you soon.
When I sell on my one piece, nobody watch how me clocks lean.
Never shake that carry.
Selling time, guys. Selling time. And we just had some jackfruit. Selling time. Everyone laugh.
Over flossing, investment over profit.